Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be pretty much me just fixing up this botched up dye color thing that I have going on. It's very much not cute, and we're going to take care of that. So long story short, last time I dyed my hair, it kind of was not the best. I didn't have enough bleach and things like that. So my roots, the process was pretty botched. It was just a no, very much just no. Everything was just no. So basically today I'm going to touch up on the roots and dye the roots, and I'm going to also redo the rest of the red and just make sure everything is just as even as possible. So this is pretty much how the roots are looking. You can see the black coming in. You can kind of see here how this is like, you know what I mean? And then when I turn around, you can also see like how some of it was just botched. It was all over the place. It was just not cute. But like at the time, I really didn't care because the front was enough and that was that. But now that, you know, it's growing and it's just fading and it's just, no. Just no. The bleach that I will be using is this Dark and Lovely bleach kit that I found at Walmart. It looks like this. And it says that it lifts up to 8 levels and yada, yada, yada. It's pretty much straight to the point. You know, it has the bleach powder. It has the cream developer. And also has the toning conditioner afterwards for you to wash your hair. And it says all of that right here on the side. So I'm pretty much just going to mix. I got two because last time I got one, and we know this head is big. Okay, so I'm going to use these two on my hair, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the red dye. So yeah, so straight out of the box, it's the cream developer, and then the two actual bleach packets. So basically you just cut these two and you put them into this, you shake it, and then you apply it onto your hair. It's pretty much it. Is very simple, to the point. And also in the box, it's the conditioner to rinse it with afterwards. It says it's a violet toning care conditioner. And then of course it has the gloves as well as the instructions. So I'm going to mix it and I'm going to come back. So I've pretty much separated my hair into 4 sections, 2 in the back and 2 in the front, so that I can make sure I get everything as evenly as I possibly can so that I don't make the same mistake twice. So now I'm just going to start applying it and make sure I'm only applying it to the roots. I don't need it into the body of the hair, just the roots. So I'm just making sure I do it very nice and even so that I can get everything and I don't miss. Alright, so I tried my best with this one. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this one with the same first bottle. So I think it's pretty much going to be the first bottle for the 2 in the front and the second one for the 2 in the back. And then if there's any leftovers, I'll just mix for anything that I've probably missed. I finished with the 2 sections in the front, and I still have like a little bit left over in the first bottle. So I'm gonna put that, and I'm gonna start that with the section in the back. I really doubt it'll do the whole thing, but I'm just gonna go until I don't have any more. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna retouch everything just to make sure I got every little nook and cranny of this head. I pretty much finished applying and reapplying and making sure I got as much area as possible. So this is the front and how it looks. And this is the back. I put it in a ponytail because the back is a lot. It is starting to burn just a little, like a little tingle, and I do kind of see it already happening right here. But also, this part was already bleached previously, so I'm not, trying to rush too much. I'll probably leave it in for like maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So let's hope for the best. All right, I am back. I rinsed it out, and you can see it's a lot going on. However, you can see, so this part is a little bit over bleach because that's the part that actually got the bleach last time. And all here, you can see, very much ginger, okay? And then the back, so overall, I am pretty satisfied with it because it's a lot better than the last one that I did. Of course, you can still see some of the black that's coming out. That's okay. Like, that's not too much of a big deal because last time I did get them, but these are the ones that are just going, and I don't even know if it's possible to get these, like how deep it was, and it was burning. I don't got time for all of that. So anyways, now I'm going to go in with the red dye. I'm just going to apply it directly on top of my hair, and I'm gonna leave that in for like about 2 hours or so. So this is the red dye that I will be using. I got it from Sally's because she said it was good. I said, okay, why not? Let me just try it out because last time I tried the L'Oreal High Color, so I don't want to botch the name. However, it is iroiro colors. So iroiro colors. Anyways, it pretty much looks like this. So because I want my red to last as long as possible. Now this probably says 15-20 minutes, but I'm going to do hour to maybe 2 hours because the more you leave it in, the longer you're going to have that color because this is semi-permanent. It's not, you know what I mean? So that's pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to put on my gloves. I'm going to just apply it. I'm probably going to use the same method as before just to make sure I have as much as I can. So I just want to mention the back of this actually says to apply it on shampoo and dry hair. Obviously, that's not the case here. So, results may vary. But I'm still going to go ahead. I'm just still going to apply it because I don't want to wait till tomorrow and do all this again because I don't have time like that. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to apply. Oh, wow. So it looks very red. Very, very red. I like that. I like that. Oh, wow. You see? That's the part where it gets messy. But right off the bat, oh man, this red is beautiful. Oh my God, I've been looking for this. Yes. It's giving very much Ariel. Purr. Oh my God, I got my shirt all dirty. But I am going to apply it on the whole thing, not just my roots, but the whole body of my hair because I really like this red and I really want my hair to be as red as it possibly can. So I'm going to apply this off camera. I'm going to come back and show you guys, but from right here, right now, you can literally see how bright this red is. And I love that already. So I finished, and you guys, this red is so beautiful. So this is how everything is. I made sure I used both of the little pouches. It got very messy, very dirty, but hopefully it's worth it. So it's looking like this. I'm going to turn around and show you guys the back. So I really try to be as generous as possible. And I'm really hoping for the best. I'm hoping it stays this red and this bright. I'm going to leave it in for about 2 hours because the girl at Sally basically said the longer you leave it in, the more it'll stain and it just won't fade away as quickly. The little pouch I'm sure says like 15 to 20 minutes, but we do more than that anyways. So I'm going to leave it in for a few hours and I'm going to rinse it out. I'm going to see how it looks. So we're just going to hope for the best. So this is how it's looking after a few days. And honestly, I really, really like these results. It came out exactly how I wanted, if not better. Everything is red. Everything is bright. It's giving very much Ariel, okay? And I really, really like that. And this is the back. So the last time that I bleached my hair, and even in the oil retwist video, you can kind of see like there was some dark patches and some blonde patches. It was just all over the place. But with this one, like every single part in the front and in the back is red, and that's what I was going for. Like I wanted everything to be like one uniform cohesive thing, and that's really what I got. I'm actually really satisfied. So that is pretty much it. I just want to show you guys, you know, how I fixed the botched hair that I had in the previous video, and that is pretty much it for this video. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.